Hey, crypto fam. Want to get in on the ground floor of the next big crypto project before it launches? Those early opportunities can be game changers, but you've got to know where to look. Today, I'm spilling the tea on how to find crypto projects before they hit the market. Stick around because this could level up your portfolio. Let's dive in. First, let's talk why pre-launch projects are a big deal. Getting in early, think pre-sales, IDOs, or private rounds, can mean massive gains if the project takes off. But it's not just about profits. Early access lets you research, connect with the team, and spot red flags before the hype clouds your judgment. But here's the catch. Finding these projects takes effort. You can't just scroll CoinMarketCap and hope for the best. Let's break down the 5 best ways to uncover hidden gems. Step 1. Get in the rooms where it's happening. Crypto communities on Discord, Telegram, and X are gold mines for early project leaks. Search for groups focused on DeFi, NFTs, or new chains like Solana or Base. Look for keywords like presale, IDO, or testnet. Step 2. Keep tabs on launchpads. Platforms like DeFi, DAO Maker, or Polkastarter host initial DEX offerings or IDOs, where projects raise funds before listing. Sign up for their newsletters, join their Telegram channels, and check their websites for upcoming projects. Many launchpads require you to stake their tokens to participate, so plan ahead. The earlier you're in, the better your allocation. Projects often release testnets, early versions of their blockchain or app, to attract developers and testers. Join these testnets to get a sneak peek and sometimes even earn free tokens. Also check GitHub for repos with recent activity. A project with a buzzing dev team is a good sign they're prepping for launch. Tools like Crypto Miso rank projects by GitHub commits. Use them. Step 4. Follow the money. Venture capital firms and incubators like Binance Labs or Coinbase Ventures fund projects long before they go public. Their portfolios are like treasure maps. Check their websites or X posts for announcements about new investments. Sometimes they'll even host AMAs with project founders. That's your chance to ask questions and gauge the team's vibe. Last but not least, use aggregators. Sites like ICO Drops, CoinList, or Dapperdar list upcoming token sales and pre-sales. For deeper dives, Masari or Nansen can show you on-chain activity and whale movements. Clues a project's about to pop off. Set alerts on these platforms so you're never late to the party. Timing is everything. Now, a quick reality check. Not every pre-launch project is a winner. Before you ape in, check the team's background on LinkedIn, read the white paper, and scan X for community sentiment. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Protect your bag. D-Wire, do your own research is the golden rule. And there you have it, your roadmap to finding crypto projects before they launch. Start joining communities, tracking launchpads, and digging into testnets today. The next 100x could be just a click away. Which tip are you trying first? Drop it in the comments and let me know what projects you're hyped about. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay curious and hodl smart.